Okay, but I don't like cricket.
He has to cancel his Aadhaar card.
Cricket, what do you know? One ball throwing 6 times, catching one keeper, and without knowledge,
No, it's on only. So cricket is boring now. I feel cricket is boring.
No, not at all. We have to cancel his Aadhaar card.
So dinner we just came out for a dinner party because
Vikas is giving party today.
Vikas is giving party.
Vikas is giving party today.
This guy is giving party and Sudev.
He only take videos but didn't upload. He didn't upload my video.
Uploading will be soon.
He didn't capture it.
Okay, Hero Navin. Sunla. Where Damon? Hi. Basa, say hi.
Hi.
Hey Narzo. Hi Gauda. Chalo. See, Vikas is giving treat okay today.
Control.
अभी अनु मेघना
अयो मेघना
Welcome back to another video. Today we dinner chawak talk pune koi friend naam ka. We just came out here for dinner. Here is Swaif.
Share, subscribe.
Okay.
जय हिंद दोस्तों.
Okay, here's
Subscribe to Naresh channel.
Bharat Samdani.
यो ब्रो इस बार सीएसके का कप है
Why Navina?
CSK 2016-17 बैंड हो गया था.
Navina. Hi.
अभी RCB का हवा चल रहा है.
Navina.
बोल करके दिखा.
Vikas.
चैनल का नाम क्या है?
Naresh Naishram. Meghna. Anu. Nojum. Say hi. Say hi Nojum.
हेलो
What's up?
हेलो
Hello. Hi.
हेलो नमस्ते
Namaste. Butterfly. Butterfly.
Say something.
Say
something.
Okay. Then clouds are flying.
Clouds are forming rain.
So everyone we just came here after our Holi. We just came out here for dinner. So let's see. Only this guy is coming in my video. RCB fan. Bro, what is cricket? What is cricket?
Cricket is the greatest sports of all time. No sports is near that sport.
Okay, but I don't like cricket.
He has to cancel his Aadhaar card.
Cricket, what do you know? One ball throwing 6 times, catching one keeper, and without knowledge,
No, it's on only. So cricket is boring now. I feel cricket is boring.
No, not at all. We have to cancel his Aadhaar card.
He's saying he has to cancel my Aadhaar card.
Yeah. We don't like cricket.
Okay, chalo, let's continue. See, everyone is busy eating. They are busy with eating. Full weight And then Vikas is since the food is ready, no, Vikas is not talking. Since the food comes on the table, he's not talking.
He's focused on eating.
Yeah, sama Dani.
ऐसा है नान भी चिकन करी
ये empty.
RCB is winning.
RCB. ये क्रिकेट का लड़का है ये. Wow, Meghna. Anu.
Show your chart, man. Very hard.
Chart. Okay. Gauda is eating.
Sorry, I'm busy. I heard something.
These two also waiting for the food.
Kasam se.
And me waiting for the food. This guy is waiting for the food. Okay, this guy is waiting for the food. And the other side.
Dieting,
ये मेरा मटन करी, मटन बिरयानी इधर ही है. सोएब, कितना हो गया? बाप रे, 2 कंटेनर हो गया इसको पूरा.
He can do that vlog also, no? Eat biryani, eat the dog.
So this is Naresh Khan, and he is the
Mutton
he has
biryani.
the what are you
Mutton
eating?
biryani.
Mutton biryani.
Yes, after 1 decade I got my
How
mutton
is that
biryani.
mutton or crow?
Mutton.
Mutton.
But I don't know. I'm getting only rice. I'm going to eat this all. पूरा. सबसे खाना पड़ेगा.
More to finish.
टेस्ट करो.
Let me taste.
कैसा है?
Masala is there, mutton is there.
Yeah, masala is there, mutton is there,
Rice is there.
rice is there.
Rice is there.
Actually,
Onion is there.
I ordered mutton biryani. I got anda biryani. Mutton is missing.
I will act like this.
Okay, chalo.
Famous.
Yeah.
Mukbang, okay.
Okay, she's gonna act like famous mukbang wala.
Masala is there, rice is there,
Sol is there, na?
salt is there,
Sol is there.
tomato is there, onion is there, garam masala is there.
Garam masala is there.
Nice salt.
Alright, garam masala is there. It's good. It's delicious.
How is it taste?
made. Namak is there.
Okay.
I think they're frying the oil.
Oh.
Oil, I think. They're frying the oil.
Okay.
Oil ka thora. And then they put some chili powder, I guess. It's nice.
Yours is mutton biryani, right? Is this mutton?
Mutton, I don't see. I
Only
saw only
bone you
anda.
saw.
Only bone I saw and then anda.
We should talk with manager.
Yeah. Next time I'll order mutton biryani. This time anda
Not
biryani.
now.
Yeah, not now.
Okay.
Next time.
2026 Miss Abhimana.
2026
Upcoming.
Abhimana is marrying at that time, 2026. Abhimana's marriage.
Shoaib will have 3 kids at that time.
More than 3 kids.
6. Shoaib, 3 his marriage and 6 kids.
3 wives and 6.
Shoaib 6, his marriage fix.
చెప్పు
3 wives. By 2026, Shoaib will have 3 wives and 6 kids.
అంటే అన్నాడు కానీ ఆ ఊరు ఎంత బాగుందో.
Potila.
Plus 2 complimentary kids. Compensation.
So now it's your turn.
Thank God, finally my food is come. I'm so hungry.
Go, go, go.
और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।